So what's up my people, it's your boy King here once again with another update. So in today's video is about this spice exchange. So if you go over to my account, you see that I'm currently having their token worth of $5,407.05 as I'm still counting it. If you click on this X over here, you see that I'm currently having that 5,400 ET here, which available is 0.55% and the locked is 1,433 pieces. So this particular locked one, we're gonna talk about how to unlock it and all these things, and how I have unlocked and sold some of it. I've done it and it have worked for me. So, and guess what? I got it for free. So now they are running another airdrop, and when this token launched, when this particular space launched, I think I got what I made from doing spot trading in their projects is around close to $100, if not around $90. But that is okay, because now they are doing another airdrop. As you can see in the notification bar, you see that it says CSC chain mainnet token CSC airdrop is already launched since 1st of this month, called October. So without saying much, we are going to go down over here and you will click on CS airdrop. So first of all, what you have to do is to sign up with the link in the description of this video for you to get started in this particular exchange. So what I have to do now is to click on the airdrop. Let's see how the airdrop page looks like and how it's going to work. Remember, last I'm going to show you guys how I how to unlock your Etx Airdrop and other things that follow this. So first of all, they will ask you to deposit, just like the Etx Airdrop did. The same thing is the way for this SC Airdrop. So just watch me and see what I will do. So if you go over to this particular place, you see that I have received 2 SC. So if I go back to it again, let's just load up a bit and let's see how it goes. So first of all, you have to start up a deposit. Once you make a deposit, you're gonna receive 2 SCS. For me, I've done deposits, I've done some things in the exchange, so I think I'm eligible for this. So if I click on this congrats over here, you see what they say, that my reward is now successful. So if I go back to my account again, and I will go ahead and collect the one that I've already done with. So if I click on this particular place again, inventory enter futures transaction, I've done it. Invite any of your friends to sign up, you get 1 SCS token. So you invite a friend to trade, you will get 5 pieces of it again, and recommend a friend to trade more, you get 10 pieces of it. So that is it. So as for now, they are doing this for us to go ahead and interact with the app and also invite our friends. In case you can invite. If you cannot invite, just participate in the airdrop. And then, so if you go to trade over here, it's going to, and as for now, it's not yet listed. So what you have to do is to go ahead and accumulate it by completing the airdrop task, and let's see how much is going to be listed with per coin. As you can see, the time they did this particular USDT project, the last price of it was $39, guys. That price of it was $39. So I hope this one is going to do good for us. But first of all, we have to accumulate it. We have to accumulate the CSC airdrop, so that whenever they are done with the airdrop listing and everything, once the thing is valid, we are going to earn more from it. I think this is the end of whatever I'm going to do on this particular video. Now, if you have any question, you can go ahead and ask me in the comment section. My next video, we are going to explain more of it. Oh, I forgot. How do you unlock your ET token, the one that is locked for me? You can unlock it by trading future trades. Yeah, you can unlock it by going to futures over here, putting some money in your future accounts, trading them here. I did it once and I left futures here because I had to pull out my money to use it for something. But the ones that I've unlocked, I exchange it to USDT and also withdraw it. So all you have to do is to make sure you have USDT on your account and trade futures. They will convert the charge fee which they are supposed to charge you for each transaction into the ET that is unlocked for you. That is how I did mine, and I have the remaining of this 0.45 with 5% that remained for me. As can the available one, you see 0.45% pieces of ET token. So that is it. That is just it. If you want to unlock yours, for those of you that have it with me, if you want to unlock yours, take the future trades in the project, in the exchange serious, and you will unlock more. With this I said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.